The new C-Class plug-in hybrid gives you 100 kilometers of electric driving pleasure, and it's an everyday electric vehicle.
Oh. Yes, yes, yes.
Welcome to the new C-Class.
Hey, Mercedes.
How can I help?
What's for breakfast? Oh, waffles sound good. Oh, those are good. Oh, you left a toy there, Mason. Hold on. Here, you want a toy?
Yeah. I want one too.
You want one too? Oh, perfect. How about a sheep?
Wow.
All right, off to daycare.
It's the quality of Mercedes engineering that can be found in every detail, from styling to powertrain. All engines are newly developed and come with our second generation integrated starter generator. Gasoline and diesel plug-in hybrids will follow soon. All in all, the new C-Class delivers the typical Mercedes feeling in a compact, sporty pack.
The 190 in 1982. The popularity of this baby Benz paved the way for the C-Class when it came out in 1993. And we're convinced we succeeded 2 times over. Today we'll show you not one, but 2 new C-Class family members. This is the C-Class Wagon. For those that want the sportiness and the comfort of the sedan with even more space. And worldwide, many of our C-Class customers opt for this very good looking tail end, and many times not because they need it, but because with a spacious, practical cargo area that's larger than the outgoing models by 30 liters. That's about the size of a case of beer, or for me as the father of a toddler, it's a couple of packages. Our customers have tasked us to develop a car that combines human-centered innovations with sporty and modern design, from mild to wild. It really has become the perfect, desirable package, luxurious, sporty, digital, and of course,
you immediately feel relaxed and extremely comfortable, surrounded by high-quality materials. A stunning ambient lighting adds to the atmosphere, and it matches any mood you can imagine. The central display has been angled towards the driver to give the vehicle even more sportiness, and it makes you want to drive off straight away. Many attractive features, such as the eye-catching air vents, inspired by aircraft turbines, lend the interior an upscale look and feel. The exterior design is elegant, fresh, dynamic, yet immediately recognizable as a classy Mercedes-Benz C-Class, be it the sedan or the wagon. The well-proportioned 3-box design with its cab backward layout results in a larger passenger compartment and a striking rear, with all the trappings of luxury. And this is the new benchmark for beauty within its segment.
Are all part of the new C-Class. Thanks to one intelligent user interface, our MBUX. MBUX is much more than just a personal assistant. It serves as a central nervous system that intelligently networks all vehicles' functions.
for the first time in this segment, we offer rear-axle steering.
In fact, the driving characteristics have been improved all around for an even sportier feel.
Another exciting model, no matter which you choose, the comfort of an S-Class.
Because sometimes, just sometimes, it is okay to stay in your comfort zone.
Take the digital light feature, for example. It shows you the road at night in the smartest way possible.